Did you know dragonflies can eat hundreds of mosquitoes in a single day? They're nature's most efficient mosquito hunters. Did you know a giant anteater's tongue can extend up to 2 feet? It's covered in sticky saliva to catch insects. Did you know the peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth? It dives at speeds of over 240 miles per hour when hunting prey. Did you know beavers' teeth are orange? The color comes from iron, which makes their teeth extra strong for gnawing wood. Did you know a group of ferrets is called a business? They're playful, social, and love to work together. Follow Trivia Orb for more fascinating facts.